Industrial robots. Industrial robots are machines used in factories for tasks like welding, assembly, and packaging. They became popular during the rise of automation in the late 20th century and are designed to work with high precision. These robots can operate continuously without rest, making production faster and more efficient. They are widely used by companies like Toyota in large-scale manufacturing. Industrial robots are essential for modern production systems and help reduce human error. Service robots. Service robots are designed to assist humans in daily activities outside industrial environments. They are used in homes, hospitals, hotels, and offices for tasks like cleaning and delivery. Their growth increased with advancements in artificial intelligence and automation technology. Companies like Amazon use them for logistics and customer service. Service robots improve convenience and efficiency in everyday life. Humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are built to resemble humans in appearance and behavior. They can walk, talk, and perform human-like movements using advanced AI systems. These robots are mainly used in research, education, and public interaction. A well-known example is Sophia, which can communicate with people. They help scientists study human behavior and interaction with machines. Humanoid robots represent advanced development in robotics. Medical robots. Medical robots are used in healthcare to assist doctors and improve patient treatment. They are commonly used in surgeries where precision and control are very important. These robots allow minimally invasive procedures, reducing recovery time for patients. A popular example is Da Vinci's surgical system used in hospitals worldwide. Medical robots enhance accuracy and safety in medical operations. They are an important part of modern healthcare systems. Military robots. Military robots are designed for defense, surveillance, and dangerous missions. They help reduce risk for human soldiers in combat and hazardous environments. These robots can perform tasks like bomb disposal and reconnaissance. Some are controlled remotely while others use semi-autonomous systems. They are widely used by armed forces across the world. Military robots improve safety and operational efficiency. Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots can operate without direct human control using sensors and artificial intelligence. They are capable of making decisions based on their environment. These robots are used in industries like transportation and logistics. Self-driving systems developed by Tesla are a common example. They can adapt in real time and improve efficiency. Autonomous robots are important for future smart technologies. Exploration robots. Exploration robots are built to work in extreme environments like space, oceans, and deserts. They collect data and perform research where humans cannot safely go. Examples include Mars rovers developed by NASA. These robots can survive extreme temperatures and conditions. They help scientists explore unknown regions and gather valuable information. Exploration robots are essential for scientific discovery. Domestic robots. Domestic robots are used in homes to perform everyday household tasks. They help with cleaning, monitoring, and basic assistance. Examples include robotic vacuum cleaners and smart home devices. These robots are easy to use and save time for users. They are becoming more common with the growth of smart home technology. Domestic robots improve convenience in daily life.